Hi, my name is Kyle Griffin. I'm the Ski Patrol Manager here at Gunstock Mountain Resort. It's National Safety Month, and we wanted to talk to you a little bit about collision safety. Collisions do happen out on the mountain. It's important to remember that when you're out skiing and riding, that you're sharing the slopes with others of all ages, sizes, and ability. Being aware of your surroundings and others on the trails, along with following the responsibility code, will significantly reduce your chances of a collision out on the mountain. Here are a few tips to help keep you safe when you're skiing and riding.
1. Be ready. Be ready to slow down to avoid objects and other people anytime. Ski or ride in a way that you're able to control yourself, regardless of conditions, and avoid other objects you may find on your run, groomed or otherwise. Number 2. Stay alert. Stay alert to what is going on around you, especially other skiers and riders. By being aware of those around you and the changing conditions, it will help you have a fun and safe day on the hill.
3. Plan ahead. Ease up at blind spots. Check uphill when merging onto trails. Give other skiers plenty of space when passing, and look out for spots on the run where you can't see what's coming next.
If you're unfamiliar with a run, take it easy your first time down and look out for places to slow down like cat tracks and rollers. Also, give other skiers and riders lots of room.
There's plenty of space out there, so there's no need to crowd each other.
By doing these 3 things every run, you'll be helping to keep the slopes safe and enjoyable for you and everyone else. If you are involved in a collision or incident, share your contact information with each other and a ski area employee, such as Ski Patrol. Enjoy your day on the slopes and stay safe. #RideAnotherDay.